Good afternoon, this is Patrick Johnson with Premier Truck Group of Columbia. Today I'm bringing you the truck of the week. It's CLR 2630 is the stock number with 423,000 miles. It's a 2020 year model Freightliner Cascadia 126 Daycab. The truck has new steer tires and new drive tires. It has 80-gallon fuel tanks on both sides, air slide fifth wheel, air suspension, and is equipped with factory disc brakes for advanced stopping. As you can see, it's in great shape. It is equipped with the Detroit DD15, backed by the industry-leading DT12 automated manual transmission. Functions just like an automatic. Let me take you inside to take a look at the dash. This truck has brand new DPF filters in it. As you can see, it's in great shape. Paint looks great. Step on inside. Interior's in great shape. It's got premium interior. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. You see it's got the kingpin release, inner axles switch, air slide switch, and the factory suspension dump. This truck and many more is located at Premier Truck Group of Columbia, Missouri. Give us a call or come by and see us. We'll get you taken care of. Thank you. Bye.